Hello everyone, here is Huepar channel. Today I will introduce you Huepar's upgraded laser level, HX03 Pro. Its standard feature is pivot around point function with remote control. Now I'll show you how it works. Imagine you want to build a partition wall between here. Firstly, you need to make sure 2 points. Suppose the first point is here, and the second point is here. Now we turn on the laser tool. And I want to make sure the first point. And now the second point is not in the line. Usually, you need to move the whole laser tool to make the 2 points in a line, like this. But this function is not accurate, and this point will always move, especially when the working distance is far. Alignment becomes more difficult. So with the new function, you don't need to move the whole laser tool, just use this remote control, like this. You can see the laser line is moving to the second point, and this cross line is fixed. Okay, it's done. The 2 point is in a line, and you can build the wall along this line. It saves time and makes the work more accurate. It's the charm of the pivot around point function, perfect for cabinets, light features, and partition walls and other long distance work. Okay, this is the pivot around point function. The more details for this laser tool, please see the following video.
How to use HX03CG Pro. Overview. Pendulum transit lock. Integrated magnetic bracket. Laser window. Magnetic. 1/4, 20T threaded mount. 5/8, 11T threaded mount. 5200 mAh lithium battery. Type-C charging. Battery switch for easy to check the battery level. LCD display. Power on horizontal vertical laser switch button. Brightness adjustment pulse mode button. Auto sensor button. Manual swivel base. Motorized swivel base. Remote controller. Allows wireless control of the motorized base and quick switching of laser lines and pulse mode. Fast counterclockwise rotation. Fast clockwise rotation. Slow counterclockwise rotation. Slow clockwise rotation. Horizontal vertical laser line switch. Pulse mode switch. LCD screen display. Easily get the status of the laser lines. X and Y axis tilt angle. Battery level. Auto sensor function. Laser tool status reminder. Brightness level. Pulse mode. Pendulum state. Operation. Manual fine motorized swivel base. Manual rotation base. Rotates up to 125 degrees for wide, flexible positioning. Fine motorized rotation base offers precise 16 degrees micro adjustment, allowing the entire vertical laser lines to rotate around its center point. Perfect for fine point-to-point or point-to-line alignment. When the motorized base reaches its left or right limit, the laser line will flash to warn you. After you turn it off, it will automatically reset to its original position. Self-leveling mode. Slide the pendulum turn on-off. If the tool is outside the plus or minus 3.5 degrees range, the laser lines blink rapidly and the icons will flash. Manual tilt mode. Pendulum lock. Press and hold the power button for greater than or equal to 2 seconds to turn on-off. The laser lines blink every 3 to 5 seconds to remind you it's not in self-leveling mode. You can set the tool at any angle, but the beams cannot be used as a horizontal or vertical references. Auto sensor mode. In self-leveling mode, short press the button to turn on auto sensor mode. The auto icon flashes about 10s, and then the laser line flashes about 3s. The flashing will stop when the auto sensor function is activated. In auto sensor mode, if the laser level is moved, the laser lines turn off and auto flashes to warn you. This prevents unnoticed shifts that could affect accuracy. Press the auto sensor button again to restore the lines. Line switching. Short press the button to cycle through the different laser line combinations. Pulse mode, for use with a laser receiver. Pulse mode allows the laser to work with a receiver for longer distances or bright environments. With the tool on, press and hold the button for greater than or equal to 2 seconds to turn on/off pulse mode. In pulse mode, the laser becomes dimmer. Adjust brightness. Short press button to adjust beam's brightness. 3 brightness levels. XY axis tilt angle. The LCD shows the current tilt angle of the laser. Angle calibration. Place the laser on a flat surface, then press and hold both buttons for a few seconds until the X and Y angles reset to 0.0 degrees. Integrated magnetic bracket. Multiple installation methods. Slots for screws. Strong magnets. Attached to a tripod.